Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what version of YouTube you have and that your internet is stable. Open the app, tap your profile, and note the version. This tells you whether an update is available. Once done, make sure your device has enough free storage and reboot it. That clears temporary glitches. You'll save time by fixing connectivity or space issues first because many update failures come from those simple limits. Now you perform the actual update. Go to the Play Store or App Store, find YouTube, and tap Update. This forces the latest build. If the update button is missing or fails, uninstall and then reinstall the app so the store fetches a fresh copy. During this step, prefer a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection to avoid partial downloads, and watch for permissions prompts so the app can install properly and access. Finish by launching YouTube and confirming the version and that your account functions normally. This proves the update completed. If playback, login, or UI issues remain, clear the app cache and data to remove corrupted temporary files. If problems persist, test another account or device to see whether it's account-specific. If it is, reset your password or check account settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if updates repeatedly fail,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.